Did you know that dental cleanings aren't free? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dental cleanings are not free. You hear advertising all the time on the cable and other networks about free cleanings. There's really no such thing as free cleanings, ladies and gentlemen. If you have regular dental insurance, many times, depending on how much you're going to pay for that dental insurance, whether it's $50 for one person or $75 for two or $140 for the whole family, those dental cleanings aren't free. Example would be Delta Dental. They'll tell you, yes, you can get free cleanings, or Aspen Dental. They're advertised all the time with free cleanings. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing is free in this world. So keep that in mind when you're out shopping online or you're picking up literature and people say cleanings are free. They maybe get you in the chair and tell you that your cleanings are free, but once again, you'll find a number of things that they'll come up with. You may or may not need certain dental work, and they may just be a ploy to get you in there, to get you in the chair. So I just want to really just want you to be cognizant of the fact that dental cleanings or nothing else out here is really free in life. And you're the consumer, you're spending the money. So we're here to assist you in making great decisions. What do you think about that, Bernard?
Well, Ed, I have to totally agree with you because I wanted to direct my comments to my fellow veterans out there and ask them that same question. Did you know that the Fed VIP dental programs are not the best plan out there? In fact, you're giving money away. If you want to give it away, I can give you my account and you can just give it to me. Ladies and gentlemen, let me point something out to you. You keep hearing, like Ed said, cleanings. Cleanings aren't free. However, you will get the same quality, the same level of professionalism. And I have a retired Special Forces member right here in the Springs. He gets his teeth cleaned 4 times a year because his cleanings only cost $48. Done. We have over 350 dental professionals in this area that you can choose from. Please let us help you and give you the best dental care you can. And I'm going to point something else out to you. Did you know that you get this, all the dental care for your entire household? You need to go to our website and find out. And here's one last did you know? Did you know your household will only pay $19.95 a month to get all these services with regard to dental care? And that's just the tip of the iceberg, folks. There's a lot more medical and other benefits and services that you get. All we're going to say, get to our website and you will learn what's out there for you. Thanks so much.